So I was doing the normal brainstorming and trying to come up with an idea, and then it hit me. What if I put keycap on another keycap, and then it's like tall, like whoa. So for this first attempt, I used superglue and keys from the top row, including Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, and P. I'm putting the key on the W key for whatever reason. I don't know why, but we're doing it on the W key for the first time. So here we are just testing it out on the keyboard to make sure it'll be stable and work. Wait, how do I remove it? Oh, it's alright. The keycap did not turn out to what I wanted it to be. The one I made with about 30 keycaps, it would break very easily and was not standing up on its own. So I had to cut it down to only 15. These keycaps only included the types of letters I mentioned earlier from the top row. The letter E is one of the top used letters of all time, so we put it on that now. Sadly, only ended up hitting 15 keycaps, and many keycaps got ruined in the process. An F key got stuck to my desk too, which is kind of funny. I think that's it for the video. If you can subscribe, I'll be motivated to do this again. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!